Make a Krabby Patty. Make a Krabby. I just got Broden. Oh. Now look at Broden. Just look at my backpack. Broden, what are you doing?
I want my presents. Give me my presents. I don't want to buy presents. I want them.
What's that? Okay, you know we stood right there and debated between that and the other thing that was there.
I did too. And then I saw what I ended up getting him instead.
But the Red Devil? That was annoying.
But I figured we got
We
one of those at home.
too. When you are two, there's lots to do.
Riley.
It's twice the fun of
I know it's
being
hard. I
one.
know it's neat colors,
Happy
isn't it?
second birthday, hugs and kisses to you. Lots of love, Auntie Dawn and Uncle Joe.
I don't get it. I want my presents.
Now you guys clean the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's your job now.
Yeah, now he gets his all
No,
the
it
work.
doesn't absolve you from having to clean up.
Yeah, you're
You still have to clean
You
your
try
room.
and get it
You're
out. We'll get
slacking
it
on
out in a
cleaning
minute.
your room
Right.
there.
See your other
Dad's
present.
way.
excuse me. You're in his way. Hey, sing Twinkle Twinkle. Oh, sorry, you're off the spotlight.
You got more. You got more.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I know you want that.
Broden.
He likes to
Open it, the bow probably, huh?
Yeah, that's what he wants, the bow. Get back. The bow's going to explode.
Hey.
Nope,
Nope.
not the bow.
There
Here,
you go.
open this.
I'll take both.
See what's inside. Maybe you want that
Here,
better.
look.
Right. Come back.
Stand on the other side of him. Stand next to Mama, okay? And then you can have him with the paper.
Hold it.
What's in there?
Whoa.
What is it?
Right on, go, bro.
Here. Riley, won't you hold the trash?
Yeah. That's your job, Riley. You hold the trash.
Here, look.
He rips and looks at me like I'm gonna yell at him for ripping it.
Is it okay, Dad? Is it okay?
Mama help.
No, he's getting the idea. Whoa. A voodoo doll.
What's that?
He loves it.
Isn't it?
He wants the hat. Let's
Here you
put the
go,
hat
Bro-Bro.
on him.
Here you go,
I don't know
bro.
if it'll fit over his big head.
Yeah, it's not.
Alright. I don't know. I think so.
What do you want?
I know it's not.
Oh, hang on.
Nope.
No, Gerald. Guess not. Oh, wait. Here you go. Put it on the
Alright, what's next?
What's in there, Bobo?
Pull the wrapping paper.
Find it. Take the papers out. Here, give Aunt Dawn the paper.
Pull paper out. You are no fun.
Oh, it's right to the case.
Handy. Two.
You cheesing.
Look at him. Look at that.
Put a hand.
Run.
Here. Here. Throw it in.
Take a paper out.
Give it to Auntie John.
Mama help.
Yeah, that's so pretty. Isn't it?
What's that? Oh, you got it. Yay!
Hey!
What is it?
What's that? What is it? Good place for you to go tonight? What's in there? What is it? Whoa. Lightning McQueen?
I was too busy with the phone.
Is it all empty?
I know.
Oh no.
I'll take that. Keep that. I like to keep that. Where's the letter?
One more.
Hang on.
There's also a letter.
Here, this from brother.
Read it for him.
Oh, you made an envelope and everything, bud? Good job.
Yeah.
It says happy birthday. I love you.
Good.
Good day today. Bye, Riley.
Good job, bud.
The envelope
Here, look.
was for Emily, but I put it for her since it was your birthday today.
Oh, cool. I get to rip it?
Yeah, that's good job.
Video of you with a big head.
Yeah.
Rip. Here, pull.
I'm sorry, that was funny.
He's got to absorb into wrapping paper. I'll take the wrapping paper. Okay, Bill.
Get off there.
Let's just run get.
Pardon? Nice.
It's a good one.
What is
That
it?
is pretty cool.
Gerald!
We could sing with that
Now he's.
one. Ready? Everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Broden. Happy birthday to you.
Blow.
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 Here, blow.
Yay!
Now you can touch it.
No, you don't want it by him. Is it scary? Is that a scary cake?
I thought I had a fish on it.
Right. Okay. That's scary?
You see yourself now, Bobo?
Watch this.
Airplane.
Hey, put up the speed. Watch. Go, bro. Come here.
Go a little bit. There you go. Back up a little bit. There you go.
Watch it.
Riley, you're
Alright.
Oh, I'm so crazy.
Can you move a little he's right in the middle of the screen. Now he can see himself.
Yeah. An airplane just flew right in his neck.
Boink.
I think he figured it out. Oh.
Okay, I'm done with this.
Put it back.
Green one, Vernon.
It's got
Press
buttons.
the green one.
It looks like he's in a fish tank.
I know, huh?
Yeah.
Broden fish.
SpongeBob.
You like that?
That's funny.
This is pretty cool.